Hello everyone! So here in India, like if people will wear plenty gold bracelet, gold necklace, like big earrings, gold big earrings, they will like admire the people, like the person, or they will like, oh my god, she's adorable like this. But in Philippines, in Philippines, they will say like this, ah, very materialistic girl. Maybe you see why is he show why is she like showing off her gold or everything? They will say like this. They will say like this girl is like feeling rich like this, especially when you are not like very pretty, or I don't say like there's uh ugly people here on earth, because we are created by God uniquely with unique characteristic of our face.